understanding, in other words, simplifying English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English, in other words. This phrase is a key tool in communication, helping to clarify and simplify complex ideas. So, let's dive in and learn how to use, in other words, effectively. In other words, is a transitional phrase used to introduce a simpler explanation or a restatement of something that has been said in a more complex or detailed manner. It signals that the speaker is about to rephrase or summarize their previous point in a clearer, more understandable way. This is especially helpful in conversations or writings where complex ideas are being discussed. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. Complex sentence. He's an ichthyologist, which means he studies fish. Simplified with, in other words, he's a fish expert. 2. Complex idea. The project will enhance our operational efficiency by integrating advanced technological solutions. Simplified with, in other words, it'll make our work faster and easier with new technology. These examples show how, in other words, can make information more accessible and relatable. It's important to know when to use this phrase. It's most effective when clarifying complex ideas, when explaining technical terms, scientific concepts, or any difficult subject matter, summarizing long explanations after giving a detailed description or argument, translating jargon, when you're dealing with specialized language that might be unfamiliar to your audience. While, in other words, is a handy tool, be cautious about overusing it. It can become repetitive and disrupt the flow of your speech or writing. Misrepresenting the original idea. Ensure your simplified version accurately reflects the original meaning. And that's, in other words, in a nutshell. We hope this video has made it clearer how this phrase can be used to enhance your English communication. Remember, the key is to make complex ideas simple and understandable. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.